Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm. I've worked on lots of formulas throughout my career, whether it was pharmaceutical or nutraceutical or environmental. One of the things I kept going back to is there has to be something that can help the body naturally restore. Restore is something that I really came to while struggling myself with many illnesses and traveling throughout the world to over 80 countries. I wanted to be able to bring with me something that could help restore how I felt and help the cells be healthier and happier. I use turmeric and curcumin. I use resveratrol, black cumin seed, aloe vera, as well as apple cider vinegar. A lot of different ingredients that would really work together, would really synergetically combine together so they could help you. I take 1 packet a day, and when I don't feel great, I take up to 3. I know people that sometimes take 5. But this particular formula is something that has proprietary patent-pending technology to really work effectively in the body and to really work safely. I don't give people anything that I wouldn't want to give my own children or my own friends. We all deserve the best life. We all deserve to restore our bodies back to what they're meant to be, and that's why this product was made.